Dad draws. Hi, I'm John. Today I want to sculpt with you together. We will sculpt a fungus and a fly agaric, of course, red, cool, and a caterpillar. So sculpt with us, everything will be great. We will show you everything step by step. My name is Vanya. Let's begin. For work, we will need either a white sheet of paper, or thick, preferably thick paper and, of course, better colored paper. If possible, then colored paper, in principle, but on a white sheet it will also work great. To work, we need purple, red, or scarlet, like mine, white or yellowish white and green. I think these are the primary colors. We will gradually sculpt, step by step. Everything will work out from the very beginning. Look, let's take the green one and tear off a piece from it. Well, such an average piece. Remember to always hug plasticine when you have it. I use air Play-Doh, but if you have regular Play-Doh, I think you can do great too. And ordinary plasticine also molds well. Let's make a sausage. I call it a sausage and then I'll crush it with my fingers. Oh, and I'll glue it here below the middle. Below, one might say, but not at the very bottom, so that it would be completely below, right? And with our fingers, or with these very smart index fingers of ours, yes, or with these strong fingers, with our big fingers, as they say, yes, we stick it. It was very beautiful and it turned out well right away. And one more technique, sticking, and twisting, and rolling, crushing and attaching, these are 3 or 4 techniques that you and I do, right? Our next technique is grass. Grass. With the help of these fingers. The grass is made like this. We press on the plasticine and pull the grass out of it in different directions. Look how it turns out. It's very nice when your grass comes out. And we did it ourselves. It's like we're drawing with plasticine. This is cool. So, as I said, a fungus and definitely a fly agaric. Mushrooms have legs. We'll make one big and one small. We have light or white plasticine. Take either light plasticine and take a piece of white. Oh, well, about average, right? Remember him well. Here he is. It's big for us. Let's roll out his sausage and tear it apart again, because from one sausage we will make one leg. Here it will be such a sausage leg. It's called a sausage leg. This is how I attach it and try to make it longer. And the second one I will make very small. This is a small mushroom. This is where he will be. This is where he comes right out. It's so tiny. One will be tall and the other will be tiny. And it's like daddy is a mushroom and little son is mushrooms. The next plasticine we will use is raspberry. No, it's not raspberry. Even for me it's probably scarlet. You might have red, maybe some orange. All colors will do. We will not divide into equal parts. On one side it is big, on the other it is small. Little one, as you say, this is a hat for my son, and this is for daddy. First we'll make the daddy. Let's roll out the ball again. Let's roll out a ball for my son. Let's put it this way. 2 balls are required. Big, small. One is small, the other is big. Now press again. Press with 2 fingers. 2 thumbs. Press big and make a triangle. Well, or such a formless thing when we pull out 3 parts. And this is how the mushroom turns out. This is how we will plant him. Of course, it should not be an even triangle. He's so tiny, like a triangle like this, that's how we got it. Like this. Like this. And here it is small. Here you can just put it and just glue it. He's tiny. And his head, of course, is big, like a baby's. Like all kids, but still cool. It turned out great. But so far these are not fly agarics. Not fly agarics, because we don't have small white parts. We'll do it. Moms can help here. We tear off a small ball. My daughter Arena really likes to do things like this. And glue the balls. This is the easiest to do, but very, very fine motor skills. Oh, and it develops your brain well. You become smarter when you make fly. Agaric. But you know that this glib is not edible. We love to sculpt, draw, make things, but never eat it. No way, no way. Only mom and dad know what to do with mushrooms. Mushrooms can be collected, and then they decide for themselves whether they are edible or not, because there are many poisonous mushrooms that people should not eat. So, while I was chatting about mushrooms and the benefits and harms of mushrooms, we made a few balls. This is where you can get behind me. Well, because it's quite difficult to make a lot of small dots. Here you can pause. I repeat it to my parents again. You can pause anywhere, catch up with me, and then continue like this, slowly, of course, slowly, trying to do everything properly so that we get such a cute mushroom. I really like making mushrooms. I often sculpt them, glue them, and show them. And so fly agarics are one of my favorite mushrooms to sculpt, because they are beautiful, yes. But I also really like to paint under birch trees and aspen trees, and it can also be done with other paints. So be sure to draw and look at our other lessons on how you can learn to paint. I advise you to use a lot of different drawings with pencils, crayons and paints in our course. Step by step, step by step, step by step, everything is for you. Okay, we're done here. And this is not an easy task, but we did it. We're great. What do we do next? Next I'll take the purple color. He was the only piece left. We will divide it into, but probably the caterpillar will not be very large. Well, that's cool. I like that she will be cool. And the fact that we will make the body of the caterpillar and the head of the caterpillar. It's not a very big piece, because a caterpillar will be this size, right? Let's remember, we'll do it. Let's separate the head and separate the body. Let's make a circle or a ball out of the head. I call it a circle ball. After that, we'll just make a long, long thing out of the body. Like this, I'm a caterpillar. This is the basis of our caterpillar, right? What will we do? We'll come up with a head for her. So let's glue the head right here. We give it away once. The head here will be the caterpillar. He put it down once and crushed it. That's it, the caterpillar is ready. And now she needs to come up with a long, long body. Well, like a snake, of course, but not like a snake. Because this is what we put together with you, this is how we will do it. That's how it is in this regard. This is where mom can help, because here it's a little help, but everything will be great. Just like that. Small details. And it turned out to be a caterpillar. Of course, she is sad because she has no eyes. We'll make eyes. What kind of eyes? I think we'll make it black. Black. We'll still take small pieces of black plasticine. And let's glue one piece. They are hard to see now on our dark purple, so I'll take more white pieces. White pieces. You can also take white pieces, it will also be clearly visible. If you took a different color, then I also really like that when you do your work, be sure to send it to me in the Telegram channel, and in the Telegram group, one might say, a special closed group for our course, where you can share your drawing, your fake. I'd really like to see how you did it. What kind of worm will you have? Caterpillar. Here's a caterpillar. Very fun, simple, simple. Everything I do for you is just so you can repeat it. We remove excess plasticine. If you sculpted, like me, with airy plasticine, then be sure to put it back in the bag. Here, I think, well, it's great here. I wanted to cover it up a little bit, maybe with some grass here. Here it's as if the grass is also growing on top. I think you can do this too. Just like that. One weed, two weed. And it will still be visible as if the grass is growing from above. This is cool. It's also such a small detail, but it will be useful to you in the future, when you understand what goes for what. I'll glue a few pieces of grass here. It turned out great. I really like aviats. The drawings and crafts in our course are all simple. You will succeed in all of them. Try, and everything will definitely turn out just nice. Come, share and give your drawings and crafts to Mom and Dad. I wish you great success in your creativity and all the best. Bye bye.